Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Isaac Angel from Orlando, Florida. I want to congratulate the All On X Academy team for a great event, reviewing the principles of static guide surgery. It's always great to see how other people around the world do things. And then, of course, to top it off by having a great Ferrari experience. I would encourage everybody to take their courses. Beautiful Modena, beautiful Bologna, beautiful Maranello.
Hi, my name is Johan Botha, South Africa. First time in Italy visiting the Agnini brothers and Prof. Howard Gluckman. What an amazing experience from the 2 days. Everything well organized, the visit to the Ferrari Museum, experiences you can never buy with money. Content of the course, immaculate. The hands-on experience is amazing. It's a must for everybody who wants to go further in implantology. Amazing experience, amazing people, well organized. They are friendliest people in the world. Thanks so much.